IMI is one of the leading global technology solution companies in the world. The company's strong commitment to excellence makes IMI the fifth largest EMS provider worldwide in the automotive market.
We are pleased to work with Panasonic as SMT supplier because of performance of product, strong service network, and excellent collaboration amongst competitors.
Panasonic Industry provides IMI with its award-winning NPM platform, which is the ideal solution to fulfill expanding and evolving electronics assembly requirements.
IMI set up a new factory on a green field. Panasonic was supporting this with a customized setup support, and we are continuously supporting them in a flexible manner.
The NPM platform can process large board sizes and place large connectors and components, while at the same time it has capacity for up to 120 feeder inputs.
In IMI, we design a traceability software which pulls the data from PanaCIM, and if everything is okay, the production can start. We check if the right component was put on the right place for every single product. That way, the possibility for error is reduced to a minimum. Offline scanning is a PanaCIM feature which allows the operator to scan all the components for the next product while one product is in ongoing production. These features reduces time consumptions about 2 or 3 hours per one product.
PanaCIM is a next-generation MES with its unique decentralized concept. It introduces individual line server combined with a cluster concept where materials can be shared flexibly among the connected lines through its material control module. It consists of several modules that provide a completely integrated management of the SMT floor. PanaCIM is a true multi-level manufacturing execution system that helps eliminate redundant manual processes and supports from machine level to cloud level.
We are using NPM W2 machines. We are very satisfied with them. It's stable, easy to work with, and with high repeatability. We are also very satisfied with Panasonic and DGK support during our SOP and with real 24/7 support.
Connecting different parts of the fabrication process is the key to an intelligent production. Due to the advancements of digitization and smart devices, Panasonic Industry is now able to connect various machines on the factory line and extract data in real time to monitor and control the manufacturing procedure. Panasonic Industry provides solutions and services for the new requirements of the production process.
We are really satisfied to have partners like Panasonic and DGK that are actively listening to our needs and capable to deliver customized solutions that meet our expectation.
Panasonic not only provides complete solutions for the smart factory, it also enables small and medium-sized enterprises with only 1 or 2 production lines to utilize the advantages of the Industry 4.0 trend.
We target with our products the automotive Tier 1 and EMS industry. IMI is a very important and strategic customer for us. Together with our customers, we are continuously improving our quality products.